set the control point here.
Confirm datum elevation now. Borehole A1, start drilling.
Log moisture, bag it sealed.
I can get it back up.
Watch the swing radius. Density looks low, recompact.
Keep haul road to 3 meters. Delivery gate B, no exceptions.
Mark the pump room offset. Dig within limits.
Hold grade at minus 1.2. Slow on the ramp, spotter only.
Lower steady, pin it now.
Ladders are tied, entry approved.
Keep discharge in the silt bag. By hollow brake. Prime it, watch suction pressure. Set the first pile on mark.
Control plumb, 2 degrees max.
Template aligns, lock it down. Brace the corner, no bulge.
Maintain cover. Check spacers.
Screed line, keep moving. Cover the stubs, don't bend them.
Keep blankets tight. No gaps.
Plumb line is good, tighten clamps.
Water stop continuous, no cuts.
Vibrate every lift, no honeycomb.
Act in 200 mil lifts.
Pad elevation meets spec, log it.
Anchor pattern. Verify with template.
Top of pad, exact elevation.
Keep joints full. Check plumb.
Grout to the top, no voids.
Check piece marks, stage A first.
Column seated, snug the nuts.
Bolt up complete, release the load.
Launch the brace racing.
Light brake.
Wind rising, pause at 10 meters. Runway level within 2 millimeters.
Fasteners every valley. Keep spacing. Mark torque, move to next bay.
Line confirmed. Protect the slab.
It's Ted.
Tie off verified. Proceed tomorrow. Oh, gosh, I took 2 millimeter.
Seal continuous, no gaps at laps.
Cover penetrations, no voids. Seam passed, detail the corners. Flash it tight, no fish mouths. Set supports to laser line.
Align to marks, leave grout gap.
Tray height fixed. Keep clearance.
Slope confirmed, secure the outlet.
Clear the front.
Hangers at spec, tighten clamps.
Limit switch okay. Travel to Super Hotel appearance to stop.
Isolators aligned, check elevation.
Clear the path, no foot traffic.
Nameplate verified. No transit dents.
Hoist slow, keep it level. Set down, check level now.
Nozzle within tolerance. Lock it.
Confirmed.
Dolly straight, watch toe pinch.
Final torque reached. Mark the bolts.
Surge steady, start the cap pass.
UT clean, release for insulation.
LOTO confirmed, terminate and disconnect.
Maintain separation. No crossovers.
Seal vapor barrier, tape every joint.
Label flow direction. Add arrows.
Same plan, confirm your role. Spacing verified, lock down the feet.
Rigging verified, use taglines both ends.
Maintain level, clearance left side.
Level confirmed. Tighten hold downs.
Set guides here, allow axial movement.
Tag matches PNID. Sign it off.
Trace yours, Emerald, over.
LOTO active, no terminations yet.
That should have for net piece below.
Torque logged, apply witness paint.
Label every terminal. Match drawings.
Open low points. Start flush cycle. Sample looks better. Continue 10 minutes.
Pressure. Inspect every flange.
Screws flush, don't break paper. Feather wider, smooth the edge. Game.
Mask the panels. Keep edges clean.
Keep lanes clear, mark the egress.
Aim away from panels. Tighten mounts.
Test it. Verify flow and drain. Control power on. Start pre-lube. Flow stable. Record the pressure.
Alarm acknowledged.
Yeah, out. Stable amps. Hold at minimum load.
Supply temp dropping. Log the trend.
E-stop works, close out these tags.
Recheck leak, then sign closure. Remove debris. Keep access clear. Turnover complete. System ready.
T. George.
Subscribe, like, and share.